Hello friends, Adele from Go Balik. Today we're taking a peek at Ocean El Faro. This resort is located in Uvero Alto in the Dominican Republic. Uvero Alto is a stretch of beach north of Faro Beach in the Punta Cana area. What you'll see from this video is that the resort was very quiet during our stay in May 2021. The resort had just reopened from COVID-19 closures. We booked a privilege level master suite swim up. Privileged guests are assigned a butler. As you can see here, our butler was driving us to our room. We booked a privileged master suite swim up. I won't walk you through section by section of this video as you can enjoy it here, but I will say some comments along the way. I'd first like to say that though the video may look visually appealing, when you're in the room, you could definitely see the misses of construction. The build quality just was not there. Certain tiles were cracked, certain things were off-center, the TVs didn't work properly, possibly because of the cable connection. Certain switches turned other things on and wrong things off, and they just didn't work properly. I will say that if you are here to enjoy a poolside vacation and bask in the Caribbean breeze, this place is perfectly fine. Oh, the last comment I'd like to share about the room is that despite the ceiling fan right over the bed, the room stayed relatively warm throughout our stay. Tech tried to fix it, we called again, Tech tried to fix it again, but the room still stayed relatively warm. I like to sleep in a cool room, so this was quite uncomfortable for me. On the upside, privileged guests have 24-hour room service, and if you have special requests, let's say a dish that's served in one of their restaurants, they'll do their best to get it to your room, which was really nice. What we'll take a look at next is the features of the resort and a peek at a couple of the restaurants. Here is the lazy river. It's not the longest lazy river, but the depth was good, the current was good, and it was tons of fun. We went around a few times. I highly recommend. Here is El Faro. El Faro means lighthouse. You're able to take an elevator to the top to enjoy a panoramic view of Uvero Alto, the beach, and you'll get a bird's eye view of the resort. What you can see from this video is that during our stay, there was some sargassum, but that's okay, that's nature. They do have some activities throughout the day, but most of the activities revolve around the main pool. The main drag of this hotel is closer to the entrance, so you have to walk quite a ways to the gift shop, the spa, the gym, and the restaurants, but they do have these trolleys that you're able to hop on and enjoy the breeze. Here's the Italian restaurant. The service here was good, the steaks were good, and as you can see in the video, the decor was lovely. This is a quick peek at the Mexican restaurant. Not the best Mexican food I've had in Mexico, of course, as this is a resort, but nothing to complain about. This is Route 66, which was their Americana restaurant, roadhouse kind of vibe. I will say that the food here was not good at all. Here is the sports bar / pool hall. We had the place to ourselves because, again, as we stayed here, there wasn't that many people on the resort. Usually the beach house is only for privileged guests, but during our stay it was for all and the food was good. To wrap it up, the best part of our stay and the reason why Ocean El Faro is still worth it despite some flaws are the swim up rooms. To be able to take a dip into the pool right off your balcony after a long hot day is awesome. Thanks to the great staff of Ocean El Faro and you for watching.